As your home buying or home selling advocate, we can't stress enough how important it is to get a home inspection. Whether you're buying a resale property or brand new construction, you never know what issues could be hiding behind the walls. This is something you want to get checked out by a professional. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you're ever going to make. Usually, people who are looking to buy a car will take it to a mechanic to have it checked out. Look how much more you're paying for a home. The investment in a home inspection for a clear understanding of the home and any issues is worth it. Hiring a professional home inspector to thoroughly examine the property is the best option. After all, it is always great to be sure that this soon-to-be home of yours is going to be a place of comfort, safety, and convenience.